Hey Skinnies, Nick here.
Hi, Mezzy.
Mezzy made me dinner while I was busy. What was I doing? Nothing. Mezzy made me dinner, and on the proviso that she gets to take the what's actually left after my portion home for dinner. And what we have tonight, we're both having it, is the miso salmon curry. Now, miso coconut salmon curry, or is it salmon coconut miso? Ooh. I'm just going to have a bite while she figures that out.
Coconut miso salmon curry.
Coconut miso salmon curry. So this recipe is found in the Dinners For, which is coming out on April 10, and it's in the fast section. So you can get this freaking amazing curry on the dinner table in 20 minutes. It's very, 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 very fast and very delicious. It's, how would you describe it, Mez, besides so good?
Like umami, coconutty, delicious.
Rich.
Yeah.
Very fresh. Yeah?
Yeah, not like heavy like a normal Thai curry, or, I mean, not that Thai curries are heavy, but, you know, it's not a heavy dish. I actually
So
love
good.
it with the salmon. Like, it is so good with the salmon.
I never would have thought that I would ever be excited about a salmon curry, ever. But this is freaking delicious. And I'm very excited for you guys to give this one a go. It's made completely from scratch, so we teach you how to make a really beautiful, fresh curry base.
There's a there's a paste that you make. So what you could do if you were smart is one day make a whole heap of the pastes up, like a quadruple batch of the paste, and freeze it in portions for quick midweek dinners.
That would make it how much quicker? Like, you'd probably save
Half the time.
half the time, yeah, so you could get dinner on the table in 10 minutes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it'd be so quick. You lost my little notation that was stuck to the thing that told us what we had to talk about.
Where is it?
I don't know. It's gone. But that's okay. On Sunday night.
What do we need to talk about? Is it here?
No,
That's gone.
it's okay. I'll tell you. Sunday night, the contents is being released.
Ooh, how exciting!
Mm-hmm. And the contents list will have all the variations on there as well. So that's pretty exciting. So watch out for that. I'm sure Cyan will have you go live to let everyone know that it's live.
What else have I got this weekend for food?
So Saturday you are doing the spring roll bowl.
Yeah.
And
I'm so excited about that.
I know.
It's so good.
It's
And you don't get to take any home
No.
because I'm going to be making it on Saturday.
Eat it all. And then Sunday you're doing the creamy Dijon mustard.
Oh, yum. With the mash?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. What a
I'm
Sunday
excited
dinner.
about On that note,
Yeah.
I'm going to let Mez go home because she has been waiting all day to eat this, to get to this point where she gets to eat this salmon curry for dinner, and she's worked so hard today and this week. So you have a great weekend, Mez.
Thank you. You too.
Don't forget you have to vote tomorrow, Skinnies, in
Yeah.
South Australia. We've got a
Yes.
state election and you don't want to get a fine.
And also you've got to have your democracy sausage.
Can you tell me when you're going so I can just go with you?
Yeah, sure. I'll come bring you a coffee and we can walk down together.
Hell yeah.
Okay?
Shake on it.
Okay.
All right, deal. All right. You guys have a wonderful weekend. Please be safe. I'll check in with you all tomorrow with my delicious dinner. But otherwise, let me enjoy my curry in peace. Love you guys.